truth perspective on who are we. The late Swami Satchidananda, the founder of Integral Yoga, and he was a renowned yoga master, particularly in the 60s, 70s, 80s. And he would ask his audiences, what are you? And they would say things like, well, I'm a man, I'm a woman, I'm black, I'm white, Hispanic, I'm a doctor, I'm a lawyer, I'm a maintenance person, all kinds of answers. And he would say, no, that's not what you are. Those are labels. Those are definitions you've given yourself. That's not who you really are. The proper answer from a truth perspective is I am. No labels. That's who we are as a spiritual being. We're spiritual beings. Genesis says we're created in God's image and after His likeness. And God is spirit. So as an expression of this presence, we're spiritual beings. Just think about it. Creation has gone from a single-cell creature over millions and millions of years to become a complex human being. All this while, God has been creating the perfect vehicle through which spirit can express. Think about that. That you and I are children of God. We are created by God. We are God's perfect idea of Him or herself. And it is through millennia, it's reached this point to where we are that perfect vehicle through which God can express. Now, that doesn't mean that we're expressing God perfectly. We certainly know that's not the case. But we are the vehicle, and the potentiality for letting God express through us is always there. We are here to be the ears, the eyes, the heart, the hands, the feet through which this presence can express. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.